In today's video, I will show you how I solved the suidy machine on the HackMyVM platform. As always, I started with port scanning, service identification, and version detection using Nmap. Nmap only found two ports, SSH and HTTP, indicated a web service. Upon entering the website, I didn't find anything, so I used GoBuster to search for more information. GoBuster only discovered the robots file, which provide further clues when tested on the website. I had to scroll down on the website to find the name of a directory with additional hints. In the hints, it was mentioned that there are multiple files with the txt extension on that directory, and one of them contains the correct credentials to access the system. So I used GoBuster again to locate those files. GoBuster found over 30 files, making it tedious to check each one for the credentials. Therefore, I created a simple bash script to automate this process, which I will upload to my GitHub repository. With the help of this script, I gained access to the system. Next, it was time for privilege escalation. I started by reviewing suite binaries from the root directory to find exploitable ones. I found a binary that, when executed, automatically launched a bash shell as the user suidy. While exploring the suidy users directory, I discovered a node that provided a clue. This gave me the idea to check if there is a way the suite permission is assigned to the binary. This binary has suite permissions, is owned by root, and belongs to the group the user I gain access with. With the user account, I can modify this binary, but if I do so, it will lose its suite permission. To investigate this, I use pspy. After waiting for a while, thanks to this tool, I realized that the suite permission is assigned to the binary through a script, although I couldn't read the script. Logically, it seemed to be the only suspect responsible for assigning the suite permission to the binary. Therefore, I created a root shell and replaced the binary with this shell, gaining root access and successfully completing this machine.